Hi everybody, it's Jen, Scrapbena Creations. I'm back with another design team project for Not2Shabby. So this is the card that I'm making today. I'm using the adorable little tacos from Pink and Maine, the Fiesta stamp set. And I'm also using some pattern paper from the Perfectly Plaid Lawn Fawn, the fall release that they had. I wanted to tie in some of the browns and the yellows and kind of the orangey colors. So this is card number 2 that I'm making with this stamp set, and I'm using a combination of Spectrum Noir markers and Copic markers to color in the images, and I'm using Spectrum Noir Ultra Smooth Premium cardstock. This is what I learned to color on, and so I've just sort of stuck with it throughout the years. I do really like it, and I find you get good blending on it, and it's pretty easy to come by in Canada. We can get it here on Amazon Canada, but I will often order it when I'm going to visit my parents in Florida from Joanne. So that's the paper. I don't often talk about which type of paper I use, so I thought I would talk about it today. So I'm just using some greens here. I'm doing some lettuce. I am now onto the browns, moving quickly onto the reds. I did speed this up because I wanted to leave more time for the card creation. So coloring this as a beef taco, and now I love that it has a dollop of sour cream on top. So I'm just using a C1 and the blender pen so that it looks to be white, but it has some dimension to it. So I'm just going to fussy cut out this image and leave a little bit of a white border. These images are all very easy to fussy cut. And then I cut a strip of this brown plaid paper, and I'm putting in some X details. This is a border die from My Favorite Things, just to give it a little bit of an accent. And then I'm using some peeled paint here very lightly in my Distress Oxide to give a little green to the background, which we'll pick up with the lettuce in the tacos. I'm actually using 3 taco images, even though I only colored 1 here on the video. So very clean, plain and simple card design, just this strip of pattern paper to the bottom, trying to decide if I want my sentiment on the top of the tacos or on the bottom, and I decide for the top. And the sentiment reads, "Let's taco about how awesome you are," which I think is such a great little sentiment. So I'm going to add these tacos on with some Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. And then I'm going to add on some cute little funny faces here. And of course, I smushed my fingers in the VersaFine Black Onyx ink, so I got it all over the card, but if you get it quickly, you can use a white eraser and it comes up no problem. Thank goodness. I feel like I get that ink all over the place all the time. So there's my tacos. Now I'm going to put the little mustache face in the middle, and then there's a smiley face and then a goofy little face with a tongue stuck out, and those will be my 3 tacos. So I thought this would make a really sweet masculine card. I don't do an awful lot of masculine type cards. This is probably as close as it gets, but I mean, it could be for anybody really. It's kind of gender neutral, but I was thinking super cute for a boy or man in your life. So I thought I would do his little mustache in brown to match the paper, and then I'm going to color up the tongue here with some red, and the little cheeks I'll do in R20. So just give them a little bit of pink for some color. And I'm not going to do much else to the card. I am going to do some white detailing here. Well, first I'm going to do some black glaze pen for the eyes, and it really makes them pop. It totally made this card for the eyes to be a really nice dark black. And with the glaze pen, it also raises as well. So I'm just drawing that a little bit. I'm going to do some white detailing on the tacos just to make it look like they have some texture to them. And then I'm going to do the white sparkle in the eye as well. So that just gives them some nice detail. So I hope you guys are enjoying seeing some creations with this stamp set. I thought it was a lot of fun. The images were so cute, and Mexican food is my favorite. So I feel like I have a lot of people in my life who I could send these cards to. So I've had a lot of fun with them. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the card today, and I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye.